Hi there, my name is Dusty Church and I have served as the Executive Director for Savannah Pride for the last few years. In that time, we've had the joy of working with Dave and Carol at the Salt Table to create a wonderful spice blend, our rainbow spice blend, that has been a treasure within our community. I know myself and my family and many others have enjoyed using it cooking meals and giving as gifts, but beyond just what a delicious product it's meant a tremendous amount to our community. I can't tell you how many people have commented to me the excitement of seeing a Rainbow Pride blend in a store in our city. Guests and visitors who have expressed excitement that they were able to purchase something fun for their family that also gave back to the community. And over the last couple of years, all of those bottles that folks have purchased have amounted to thousands of dollars to provide for incredible programming, for HIV testing and education, for youth programming, for community projects together. And we are tremendously grateful to the Salt Table and to Dave and Carol for their generosity and for their support of our community. And I hope I get to stop by and grab a new bottle soon because I'm all out. Thank you so much, guys. Talk to you soon.